So here we have two Airbeds, the darker blue and the lighter blue, lighter. Okay, 70 is the width of both of them, and 1.90 m is the length of both of them. 16 centimeters is the total thickness, height. Inflating time 1 minute. I have an electric pump, so it should be faster. 2 years warranty. Quechua, both of them. 1.90 m. Both of them are mostly identical. The shape of these holes is slightly different, I think. Electric pump 3 minutes. Manual pump 1 minute. 1.9 kilograms one package. It has a patch just in case it gets punctured. This one. So it has two parts. This one, you can screw that on, and that one. Let's unscrew that one also. So that's the valve, rubber valve. So put that back, tighten it, and to inflate it, use this top one and introduce the pump here, and then put it back. The other one is the same. Let's remove the top part and inflate it there. This color is different. So here's an electric pump, and let's see which one. That is too big. The middle one. Simply insert it there and put this there. And this pump has a on-off switch here, but I have to plug it in. Yeah, sure, it's not long enough. So this Renault Espace has a 12-volt plug here. Plug in that there, and you cannot start it. You have to power that socket by pressing the start button once. What? Pues. I think that's the maximum. Okay, and just put it on. Quechua, Decathlon. Now let's try the next one. This is fluffy, it's softer. Oops, this was not tightened. So air is escaping here, but it should not escape there. So it should not come out here. So this has a fluffier side, softer, it's not plasticky as there. So this is nylon on both sides. I think that one was cheaper. This is smooth, fluffier, like a textile material. So here we have two mattresses. How to deflate them, that's the question. So it has this part which can be unscrewed, but that is only for inflating, to adding air. As you can see, nothing comes out. Put that back and you have to use the second one, which is this one with lines on it. So unscrew that one and the air comes out. That's it. Same thing, this one must be unscrewed. This was already unscrewed a little bit. And they are deflated. And when you finished deflating it, put the valve back to stop the air from going back. The same larger diameter thing has to be screwed in.